Hey guys, welcome to making more videos again, and today guys, we're going to be taking a look at another fanless LED headlight, so let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I got the actual package right here, and let's get straight into unboxing this bad boy. So here's the actual box itself guys, looking awesome, and my favorite word, plug and play. This guy's put it on there, nice. So let's take a look to the side right here. As you can see, H11 is highlighted. Basically, that's my bulb size. Make sure you're picking the right bulb size for your car. And you can see they have a ton of different options, especially when you click on the actual link. In the description below, you'll get a ton of different options for your car. Make sure you're getting the right size for your car. Let's get straight into opening this bad boy up right here. I've been noticing that a lot more companies are starting to put, these zip ties in here. Very nice touch. I really like that. It comes in handy, especially because you don't have to buy any more zip ties when you have it here. Nice little manual in here. I don't need to actually see that. Put it to the side. And here are the bulbs, guys. Looking awesome. Look at that. So I'm going to slowly take one of the bulbs out and show you that these are fanless designs. I've been doing both fan and fanless designs on my channel because a lot of people like the fans and some people don't like the fans. And I have to say, for people that don't like the fans and like these fanless design, a lot of people ask me, hey, do they overheat and stuff? No, they don't. These fins are designed to get warm, to get really warm, and then the air basically dissipates that heat and it keeps the system pretty cool. These LEDs should be promising. As you can see, I'm going to bring it really close to the actual chip right there. 4 chips right there and 4 on the other side. Give it that extra bright light that you guys want. So I'm going to put this down real quick and show you the actual ballast. Since this is all plug and play. Since this is all plug and play, all you have to do is basically plug it in right here, like so. Just plug it in like this. Make sure it goes all the way in. And then twist the plastic on so that it doesn't come out. And then there you have it. It's ready to go. This one's already ready to go. I'm going to show you the ballast right here and the actual plug and play system right here. You just basically take it out, the old harness, and plug this guy in. So these bulbs are definitely looking promising, guys. And I cannot wait to actually put it in my car. So without further ado, let's go test it out. Let's go put it in my car and let's see how it is. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I got my Honda Accord right here, and now this is my Honda Accord. Obviously you can use these bulbs for any type of car, Ford Focus, a Ford Fusion, a Nissan, Honda Pilot, whatever car. Just make sure, like I try to tell everyone, that you're getting the right size, guys. The size will normally be on the bulb itself. When you actually take out the old OEM bulb, the original bulb, OEM means original manufacturer equipment. It will say on there H11. It will say 9005, whatever bulb you require. Honda Accord owners know H11 all the way. Now I have installed the bulbs already in there. As you can see, there's one right there, and I have already installed the other one right there. These bulbs are extremely easy to install. A lot of people ask me, hey, what tools do I need? And they'll be messaging me, and I'll be like, look, you don't need any tools. The tool is right here in my hand, right here. This is the tool you need, your hand, and basically that's how it's designed, guys. It's designed so that you can easily change out your bulb if you need to in an emergency or whatever situation you're in. Now, I've been changing these LED lights out constantly, so I'm very quick at it. I'm very efficient, easy to do. However, it's extremely easy for a person that's doing it for the first time. I mean, all it is a twisting it out, pulling the bulb out, putting new guy back in, twisting it back in, and plugging it in. That's it. Literally, plug and play. No cutting wires, nothing like that. I still get questions a lot about people asking me, hey, where am I splicing these? Where do I plug these in? Do I put it on the actual battery terminal, etc., etc.? I know HIDs in the past, you had to actually connect it to a battery terminal, but these guys, you don't have to do that. Like I said, very easy to install. The outcome makes your car look beautiful from yellow nasty lights. Real quick, before I show you the actual brightness, I've been running these bulbs, just testing it out before I make the video. I always test it out for about 5 minutes, make sure they're working, make sure they're good condition. And I've been running for 5 minutes right now, and as you can see, I'm touching it. I just opened the hood and I'm touching it, and it's warm to the touch. However, it's not hot because these fins are great at dissipating the heat. So without further ado guys, since I've already have it on here, let's turn off all the lights and see how it looks. Let's get to it. Alrighty guys, so here's the actual light pattern on this. As you can see, pure white guys, and that is what you want. And this makes your car just look a ton better. As you can see the thickness of these lights, and you know, it's actually pretty thick. These are one of the thicker bulbs that I've seen, you know, the actual light output. Now one thing with these bulbs guys, they are fanless bulbs. A lot of people want bright bulbs, but yet fanless. And these are something that you want to look at, because I know a lot of bulb manufacturers that might have fanless bulbs and it might sound good, but the light output is not there, and I do not even review it. I want to make sure that you guys are getting some high quality bulbs. Look, I mean, look at that. Look at the light output, and look at that. That is high quality right there. I've had bulbs that are way dimmer. I've had bulbs that claim they're awesome, but they're really not. I do not upload the video. I do not show it to you guys, and that's just my style. I don't want to show, you know, I don't want to show bulbs that don't really match my viewers' expectations, you guys. So on my channel, you know, if you look at a bulb, you're gonna be good quality, guys. They are going to be good quality, and you are definitely gonna love them. This one, the links are in the description below, guys. Make sure you check them out. I'm loving these guys, and you know, I'm gonna be putting this on my friend's car because he wants fanless LEDs, and I totally understand that. And these are some good quality fanless LEDs, and I'm loving that. I know he will love it, and I know you will love them, guys. Alrighty guys, hope you guys enjoyed that LED headlight. They're definitely quiet because there's no fans, and a lot of people love that, but the heat dissipation is definitely there, guys. It's great at dissipating heat without the fan. Links to purchase that are in the description below. Make sure you go check it out. There should be other videos popping around here. Make sure you click on them, enjoy them, they're for you to watch. But other than that guys, keep your share saying thanks for watching and peace.